Guys, happy new year, everybody. I hope 2025 would be an amazing year for you. I wish that everybody is, having some progress toward their trading and life in general. So today was an actually amazing day, second trading day of January 2025 this year. And I personally had an amazing trading day and with just two trades on NVIDIA and Tesla. These stocks are crazy. Like yesterday, Tesla had this delivery numbers drop significantly in 2 days, just rallying back up. Just you can't keep a good stock apparently down. So let's go through the trades that we did today and walk you through our decision making. I obviously stopped trading after really had a good day, but Tesla is just crazy. So Tesla, the open, it was kind of flat. It wasn't really doing much in the pre-market, so it was kind of flat, doing some really nothing. And then at the open, sold off near the previous day close at 37.50. Sorry, 379.28. So that was the previous day close, and then huge rally. This is a huge engulfing pattern that I explain in my book and in our education for the higher pre-market. So I kind of saw that, but I saw it late. And a really good entry would have been around here. So when you see this engulfing, it would have been a really nice entry pop up, potentially to break off pre-market high and everything. So I saw it around here, and I started going long for the move next up. But I kind of knew that it's a little bit extended, so I kind of missed the move. So I got out as soon as it dropped to the VWAP, went a little bit, quickly bounced back, and then volume started picking up. I went back long again, fairly big size, popped up from 383 all the way up to 388. So we got this really nice move. It bounced back to the VWAP, so that would have been a really good place to add. I didn't unfortunately add here, and sorry, I added a little bit later, came touched the high of the day, and then it came, I got it stopped out. And the reason that I got it stopped out here is when you have a first entry here and another entry here, your average comes somewhere around here. And then after you actually had a really good profit, you have to get out because that's my rule that I'm not giving back the profit. So what happened? It was turned out to be super, messy for another half an hour or something, and eventually, came even below the VWAP. And eventually, if you look at the 5 minute chart, eventually came up. And for the break of high of the day here, the volume picked up. I don't know if it was in news or just a shorter squeeze. So it went up all the way to 393 and go to 400. And yeah, so that turned out to be super nice. As you see, these ABCD patterns on a 5 minute chart, super, super, super nice. Really, really interesting. Um, so yeah, so that was the Tesla, and then Nvidia was a much, much nicer, cleaner trade that we did. There was a 5 minute opening range breakup, very nice, with a couple of really nice ads on it. So same thing on the Nvidia. Nvidia had a very nice 1 minute opening range breakup, and it did popped up. I added, for ABCD pattern, essentially 5 minute open range breakup. So you see, I build up a position here, and then really break out from towards 143. I added some on these partial on these pullbacks as well. Eventually, I added more at 143.75, and I got out completely. It did break out completely the toward 144, and as you see here, the 5 minute chart is just probably going to 145. The market is also really helping because we had a couple of levels. So, NVIDIA was on a daily chart, it was super choppy, and then eventually gap up and then broke out. And I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of the day, it's going to go and test the 146. So if you want to look at the daily chart on NVIDIA, it was a very nice, again, if I want to remove all of these layers that I have, levels that I had. So it was a very, very nice, very, very nice breakout on so breakout toward this all-time high. It's just going up like that. And yeah, so that was essentially two. So two trades in Tesla, one stopped out and one long, and Nvidia is just keep going higher. Market is super strong. So market is bouncing back. From all-time high, obviously 609 was a little bit extended, dropped significantly. Now it's trying to really find the momentum back. Tesla, had a really massive run toward almost 500. It's bouncing back. And if I want to remove all of these levels, and the Qs are super strong too. So I wouldn't be surprised market is, making all-time high anytime very soon. So SPY, which is the strongest um, ETF right now. I think Qs actually are stronger, but it's really moving up very nicely towards 600. Well, yeah. So it's a new year, guys. I just wanted to mention that, guys. Today, my all my books are for free. So if you go to Amazon, if you're watching this today and tomorrow, all of my books are for free. So you're welcome to download your copy. And I hope that you enjoy reading my books. There's a new book is coming also very soon, and I hope that everybody enjoy reading the books. And if you have any question, guys, feel free to leave a comment or email me, Andrew@bearbulltraders.com. All the best, guys, and happy trading in 2025.